The universe is 93 billion light years wide, and we have explored almost none of it. Not a fraction, not a percent, almost none of it. Every star you see at night is just a neighbor. The rest of the universe is silent, dark, and utterly indifferent to us. This is the observable universe. Everything beyond it we will never see, not because it's too far, because light hasn't had time to reach us. Somewhere out there, galaxies are moving away from us faster than light itself. That's not a violation of physics. Space itself is stretching, and we can never catch up. Meet the black hole, not a hole at all, but a point of infinite density that bends space and time around it. Cross its edge, called the event horizon, and there is no turning back, not even light escapes. But here's the part most people don't know. Time itself slows down as you approach one. To an outside observer, you would appear to freeze at the edge forever, fading slowly into darkness. Inside, physics as we understand it simply breaks down. Scientists call it a singularity, a point where the rules of the universe no longer apply. There is one at the center of our galaxy, 4 million times the mass of our sun, sitting quietly in the dark. It has been there the entire time you have been alive. Now look further past our galaxy, past the ones we can see. 96% of the universe isn't made of anything we can detect. We call it dark matter and dark energy. We know it's there because of how it bends light and pulls on galaxies, but we have never touched it, seen it, or measured it directly. Everything we know, every star, every planet, every human who has ever lived, is 4% of everything that exists. The other 96% remains a total mystery. In 2016, scientists detected a sound, two black holes colliding over 1 billion years ago. The collision released more energy in a fraction of a second than every star in the universe combined. We only detected it because space itself rippled, stretching and squeezing everything in its path, including Earth. You didn't feel it, but it happened to you too. Now consider this: our sun is a middle-aged star. In about 5 billion years, it will run out of fuel. It will swell into a red giant, swallowing Mercury, then Venus, then possibly Earth itself. Everything that has ever existed on this planet will be gone in an instant, cosmically speaking. But that's not even the strangest ending possible. Some scientists believe the universe itself could end in what's called the Big Rip. Dark energy accelerating so fast that it tears apart galaxies, then stars, then atoms themselves. Not with a bang, not with fire, just a slow, silent unraveling of everything. Or maybe none of that happens, and instead the universe simply grows cold. Scientists call this heat death. Every star burns out, every black hole evaporates, nothing moves, nothing changes ever again. It would take longer than the current age of the universe, multiplied by itself over and over, to reach that point. And yet, on that unimaginable timescale, it is considered one of the most likely outcomes. Here's something stranger still. Some physicists believe our universe might not be the only one. The multiverse theory suggests infinite universes exist, some nearly identical to ours, others utterly incomprehensible. If true, there could be a version of you reading this sentence right now, in a universe you will never reach. We have no way to prove it, and we may never have a way to prove it. We have mapped less than 1% of the universe we can even observe. Somewhere out there in the permanent dark, something vast is happening, and no human eye will ever witness it.